Coming at you from my OWOF World News desk. A storm, a deadly storm that hit Indiana, flooding everywhere. We got 6 people dead, confirmed as I speak. 6 people. Check out your people, guys. Make sure everybody's okay in that area. Lately, we've been having deadly storms slamming Midwest. Indiana got hit the hardest. If you subscribe to this channel, I'll keep you informed on the updates. As more news come in about this story, I'll come back and give it to you. I'm gonna follow this story for you. This is OWOF World News. Make sure you hit that bell, the bell next to the subscribe button. That's it for now. I gotta go.